The Starlink Gen 3 mount is expertly crafted with sturdy aluminum alloy and steel, ensuring exceptional durability and reliability even in challenging weather conditions. This mount offers a versatile 20-degree tilt and a full 360-degree rotation, allowing you to optimize your Starlink dish's position for the best possible signal reception. Designed specifically for wooden roofs, the mount includes special lag screws, making it easy to secure without damaging the roof's integrity. Built to withstand harsh weather, this mount keeps your Starlink dish stable and secure, maintaining consistent satellite connectivity through storms or intense sunlight. Installation is straightforward with the provided manual and video guide, making it simple for users to set up the mount quickly and without frustration. Manufactured by Subfix, this mount is a reliable choice for enhancing your Starlink V3 dish's performance, ensuring stable and high-speed internet access.